Hi there, this is Shelly from the Print Mint. Today I'd like to show you a little bit about how you can minimize the effects of overstamping. So what happens is when you stamp on fabric that's not perfectly flat, sometimes you can get these little lines on the edge. That's called overstamping. And so what you want to do is make sure that your fabric is completely flat. If that requires you to do some ironing, then please do that. Then you can see how along these edges, sometimes you might need to trim around these edges closer than they are. I just use a little razor blade to do that. This one's actually done pretty good. We do our best to trim as close as we can. Another option that we did is you can create your own little template. I stamped on a piece of thin cardboard and then cut it out with a razor blade. And then you can position this on your fabric and kind of have it hold down the fabric, hold it taut like this. And then when I use the stamp, it gives me a clearer impression. Thank you.